So in this video, I'm going to take you through solutions to NovDec 2020 question number 2. So let's read the question. Question number 2A. 8,000 people attended a football match in the stadium. The prices of the tickets were $50 for VIP stand and $30 for popular stand. If the total revenue from the sale of the ticket was $250,000, find the number of tickets sold for each stand. And then you have to solve for this equation. Now let's start. So the question is 8,000 people attended a football match in the stadium. So that means the number of spectators over there was 8,000. So number of spectators was 8,000. The prices of the tickets were $50 for VIP stand. So price of VIP tickets was $50, and the price for popular stand ticket was $30. So popular stand ticket was $30. If the total revenue from the sale of the ticket was $250,000, find the number of tickets sold for each stand. So we are finding the number of tickets sold for VIP tickets and the number of tickets sold for the popular stand tickets. But in this case, we don't know the number of tickets sold for each of the spectators, whether it's VIP or popular stand. We don't know. So we are going to let popular stand ticket to be equal to, let's say, X, and VIP ticket to be equal to Y. So now let's read the question once again and figure out our necessary equations inside the question. So we are having 8,000 people attending a football match in the stadium. So these 8,000 people who attended the football match, it means that we are having people in there that bought VIP stand, and another people also bought popular stand tickets. What I'm saying is that these 8,000 people, a portion of it will be for people that bought popular stand tickets, and then a portion of it will also be for people that bought VIP tickets. So when they come together, they form this 8,000. Meaning, when we add the number of popular stand tickets that were bought plus number of VIP tickets that were bought, we should get this 8,000. So this becomes our equation 1. The prices of the tickets were $50 for VIP stand. So $50 for VIP stand, which means 50Y, plus $30 for popular stand. $30 for popular stand, 30S, is equal to $250,000. $250,000. So this becomes our equation 2. Now, we are having simultaneous equation in two variables. This one we can solve it using either the method of elimination or the substitution. And in this case, I'm going to use the substitution because looking at what is how x and y are here, we can easily make one the subject. So let me make n the subject here. So I'm going to make n the subject in equation 1. So what I do that I'm going to get s is equal to 8,000 minus y. So this becomes equation 3. Now I'm going to fix equation 3 into equation 2. So when I do that, so let me substitute equation 3 into equation 2. So I'm going to get 50y. So wherever I see x, I'll just replace it with 8,000 minus y. 50y plus 30 into 8,000 minus y equals 250,000. That's so. Yes. Now 50y plus 30 times 8,000. Let me see what I'll get. 30 times 8,000. I'm going to get 240,000. 1, 2, 3. 30 times minus y. I'm going to get minus 30y equals 250,000. Now I'm going to transpose this to the other side, and then I'll subtract this 30 from 50, sorry. So 50y minus 30y equals 250,000 minus 240,000. Now this one I'm going to get 20y is equal to 250,000 minus 240,000. I'm going to get 10,000. So when I divide this side by 20, this side by 20, I'm going to get y to be equal to 10,000 divided 20. I'm going to get 500. So this, 500. 1, 2. So y will be equal to 500. So after getting y, I'm going to put y is equal to 500 into equation 3 to get my x. So I'm going to substitute y equals 500 into equation 3. So I'm going to get x is equal to 8,000 minus 500. So I'm going to get 7,500. Now, this means that the number of popular stand tickets that were bought at that particular football match was 7,500, and the VIP ticket that were bought at that particular football match is 500. So when you add this to this, you are going to get 8,000. So that will be all for question number 2A. Let's move on to 2B.